Hello everyone, ça passe comment nous? C'est amis par Costa Whitler, it's your boy Costa Whitler. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Vidéo ça c'est première leçon que n'a débuté pour saison ça. Maintenant commençons comme toute langue, il y a alphabet pas yo. Et maintenant créole pas nous mêmes haïtiens, nous gain alphabet pas nous n'a débuté dans alphabet pas nous. As you already know, every language has its alphabet. Every language has its alphabet. We are going to start with the alphabet, the Haitian Creole alphabet. Let me show you the 32 letters of the alphabet. Yes, ou fin wè alphabet ou. Okay, as you can see, the Creole alphabet has only 33 letters. Jean Carrel là, alphabet créole là gagne 32 lettres là-dedans. N'a pas seulement 6 là-dedans, n'a montre qui j'en pour répéter li, n'a montre qui façon ou capable prononcer li. We are going to show you how to repeat them, how to pronounce them, but for this first lesson, we are going to take 6 letters only. These 6 letters are A, An, B, Sh, D, E. 6 lettres you see. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. Kounya la mbalon ti jan pi slow pour nous. Now I'm going to pronounce them slowly. Listen carefully, and after I will tell you to repeat after me. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. Once again, on l'autre fois encore. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. Now, I would like you to repeat after me. I'll repeat après. Now, I would like you to repeat after me. And let's go. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. Once again. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. Now, try to pronounce them by yourself. Kounya essaye dire pour kontou. Pendant que m'a dit. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. Now I'm going to pronounce them a last time. Listen carefully and after repeat. Listen carefully and after repeat. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. A, An, B, Sh, D, E. This is all for today for the first lesson. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui pour première leçon. Now, I would like you to watch again this video, repeat, practice, pronounce these letters. Let me know how you receive this video. Just comment down below. Comment, and tell me what you like, and tell me what you don't like too. We have to do this. Tell me, oh, I like something. Oh, I don't like something. Let me know. Especially people who speak English, they want to speak Creole. Share this video to others and let me know if we can keep going with this Creole lesson. T'es content avec vous. May God bless you. Bon Dieu béni. À la prochaine pour l'autre coup, pour l'autre leçon. Que bon Dieu béni.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.